Hi everyone, I'm Peta and welcome to another video. So today I'll be talking about using Adobe Sketch for the first time, how I felt using that app for the very first time. So I had a lot of fun sketching with Adobe Sketch, but I didn't necessarily like it to paint with. You'll see me later in the video actually painting with it, and then I just removed all of the stuff I did, all the painting that I did, because I didn't like how it looked. I didn't like how it feel at all. I'm pretty used to using Medibang's watercolor brush to paint, and I would be able to achieve the kind of paintings that I would want. I guess because of that, because I just wasn't able to get the same effect I get from Medibang in Adobe Sketch, I didn't necessarily like using it to paint. Maybe that's why, so maybe it's my fault, but I think over time, as time goes by, I'll be able to learn how to paint with learn how to paint with Adobe Sketch, hopefully. So the only tool I loved using so far is a pencil tool. So it feels almost like a real pencil, almost, and that's a feeling I just don't get from Medibang. So thumbs up to Adobe Sketch right there. Anywhoosies, so because of the pressure sensitivity of the iPad and the Apple Pencil together, I could easily get the rich dark tones and the smoother light tones, just by tilting my pencil and slightly applying pressure wherever I need to. Yeah, so that's what makes the app kind of cool. Yeah, that made it kind of cool for me. Anyway, so let's talk about the piece itself. Where did the idea come from? So I didn't make a plan for this piece, and I didn't use a reference photo, which is not something I do, because when I don't use reference photos, my pieces don't turn out that well. But surprisingly, this one turned out pretty well for not using a reference photo. Anyway, so I wanted to practice drawing people in this kind of side view. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I really have a lot of trouble drawing these kind of angles. Yeah, I do. So that's basically why I drew this girl like that. And I also wanted to draw somebody with a half-shaped head. I love seeing it. Really love seeing it. Would never do it, but I love seeing it. So I just wanted to draw it. I've always wanted to draw it. And the eye patch, yeah, I just did the eye patch thing because I just didn't want to draw that eye. I really just didn't want to draw the eye. That's the problem when I don't use reference photos. I draw crap. I just draw an eye patch, to not draw the eye. So basically after that, I just drew a bunch of plants around the piece to help fill the page and to bring the whole composition together. And I had a lot of fun shading these plants. I use a lot of shading techniques I haven't used in a while, I think, and on a digital app, which I don't do often. I don't normally use drawing techniques on a digital app. I normally just paint. So that was really fun for me. So I just placed all those plants around her to help balance the composition a little bit more. Yeah, so that's basically it. Me just having some fun sketching some plants. Yeah. So basically, after I did all of that plant sketching, I was done with the piece. So overall, I loved Adobe Sketch for drawing, and hopefully in the future, like I said before, I can just sit down and take the time to learn how to use Adobe Sketch for painting. If not, I just use Medibang. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you would like to see more of these kind of videos, or any kind of video you want to see, just let me know down in the comment section. I'll do it for you. All right, guys. Anyway, see you next week. Bye bye.